Guys, oh, I have reached the 20,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I am so proud. Really, I am. I'm really I'm really excited. So, oh my gosh, you are amazing. All you guys who subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. This is really an amount of I really can't explain myself how thrilled I am. I never thought 2 years ago when I started my YouTube channel only for myself. Really, I have made a few albums and I thought, well, someone want to buy a few albums of mine, and I was thinking, well, I never see those albums again, so that's the reason why I started to film my albums and put them on YouTube, so I always can have access to see my albums. But I thought, who want to see my albums? Well, ooh, yeah. I guess many people are, and that's also the reason why I started tutorials, because yeah, people ask me to, and I did one and I did two, and first in Dutch, and then I get a question, please do an English one, because we can't hear another word what you are saying. We can't hear you. So I did one in English, and that was really so good watched. And yeah, of course I get many questions for please do more in English, and I decided to do more in English because you get a better reach, because English is the language, the mother language, I really think, of the entire world. So I did, and yeah, from one came to another, and I keep doing it, and I really loved every comment I get, every nice messages I get, and the nice compliments I get, and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And see how I did it till now, gosh. Oh my gosh, I have reached 20,000 subscribers, and well, I have a pretty great Facebook page, and really met so many nice people already to Facebook and to YouTube, and it's really awesome. I really still love doing all the things around crafting, and yeah, it's still the guilt of my mom. So mom, yeah, I must say thank you very much, one. Love you. Anyway, yeah, it's time for a new giveaway, and I can't go around it. Yes, I need one. So I made 2 packages. So the same as last time with the 15,000, not the 50. Oh my gosh, I wish I had a 50,000. And let me zoom out just a little so you can see a little more what's inside. So I made two, well, almost exactly the same thing. And yeah, what's inside? Loads of bronze embellishment. You get a big piece of my black bookbinder's linen. There is tons of things. I have left some Prima Marketing 4x6 cards. This is also a leftover wooden. Yeah, there's so much in it. I don't go. I don't show you everything, but what you see here, there's 2. So from each there are 2 packages, one from Holland and one for international. So if you want to win one of these packages, then please leave me just leave me a nice comment, and I will read everything, and I just pick one nice one out. And so I pick one in Dutch and one from international. So yeah, I will see. It really does not matter where do you live, but I really want one in Holland and one in the entire world. So it's really not a big deal if you are from Belgium, Germany, Australia, Canada, United States, England. It really does not matter where you come from. One international and one from my own country, Holland. So that is the deal. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you like my channel. And well, I have 20,000, so I think you really like it. But please still give me a thumbs up for this video, and leave me a nice comment below if you want to win one of these packages. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe, because you have to be a subscriber to win one of these. So don't only leave me a comment to win one. No, you have to be a subscriber. So I will check. Anyway, really thank you very much for all your nice support, and I hope I still going on with my crafting adventures, and I hope you still follow my new things. Okay, so yeah, I think this is it. Thank you so much again for all the support you gave me, for all nice friends I met already, and maybe in the future still more. So up to the next 25,000? Oh my gosh, well, that's far away. But anyway, bye bye, thanks for watching, and yeah, I love you.